Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to walk you guys exactly on how to set up your Amazon KDP account and verify your account so that you can be able to make money from Amazon KDP platform and to be able to withdraw your money to your local bank account here in Nigeria or any country of your residence. Amazon KDP stands for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, where you publish low content book and start making money from Amazon. An interesting aspect of it is that it is a one-time setup that can guarantee you steady income for life and makes you earn passively. So it's free here on this channel. So you are going to see I'm going to set up an account and you don't need to pay huge amounts like before to set up one. So what you need to do right now for me is to smash the subscribe button, like my video and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on other videos when I upload them. Thank you. Let's dive right into it. Go to any of your web browser and type in kdpamazon.com. I can leave the link for you down in the description. So you can check the description. That is where you can see the link to this site. So what you need to do now is this: come to this place and sign up. I have an account before, but for the sake of this video I'm going to set up another one. So all you need to do is to click on sign up. Now this is it. It said create a new KDP account. So if you have an existing account before, you have it, you can enter here. But for those who wants to open a new account, this is where you click on. So this is how we go. So I click on create new KDP account. I enter my name. Bring you to this place, to this interface. You enter your name, your email, your password. You re-enter the password and you click on create your KDP account. So slide the image to complete the share. I think we've done that. So we are successful. Now you enter your OTP. So let me quickly go into my email to get the OTP. So this is the OTP. This is my OTP. I copy it, copy OTP, then I bring it to this place. I bring my OTP to this place. Just paste your OTP here, paste, then you click on verify. So it requires us to put a number. I am from Nigeria, so we quickly put, I click on 234, I put on my number 080. I add my mobile to it. I'm supposed to receive an OTP. Yes, I've received an OTP. I put in my OTP here 018028. Then I click on create Amazon account. So this is that. Just click on agree. So I click on agree. So we are done with our step 1 of it. So it says your account information is incomplete. To publish a book, you need to complete this. So all you need to do is come to this place, update now. Okay, update now. So we are done with step 1. So for us to now update, just click on update. This is it. It requires us to enter that same number again. That is that Nigerian number, my number. I put it in again, then I put the number again. They will send another OTP for me to confirm. Alright, another OTP in 581866. I press continue. So we are in this stage. Where is your bank? So please, you will do well to pick the United States. If you put in Nigeria or any other African country, it will not work. So that is that. And secondly, I want to tell you, after this video I'm going to drop a video on how to have a US bank account, setting it up using Pioneer. So please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to know when the video will be out. And secondly, I will show you how to publish book on Amazon KDP, even though you don't have any writing experience or any skills. So please, you will do well to turn on your notification bell to always get notified on how to go about these things. Older name, I write Ola. Please write your name, complete name. Checking, just leave it at checking. Account number, I will go to my Pioneer to get my account checking. This is how my Pioneer account looks like. This is how my account looks like. My Pioneer account looks like. You can see, just come to this place. I click on the USD. This is it. The name of my bank in the United States is First Century Bank. My bank address, my account number. This is my account number here. You can see it. I copied it. I come to this place. I put my account number here. Just paste your account number here. We go back again. This is my routing number here. I click on it. I copy it. Okay. Come back. You put in your routing number. You put it in. That is that. On how to do it. Sorry, I have to re-enter my account number here again. I go back. I copy my account number. I paste it in. I re-enter it here. So now we are done with this place. You just click on add. So you see it said you are set up to receive payment for sales all across all Amazon marketplace. So congratulations to you when you get to this stage. So that is not the end. They say if you can add another bank. I have British bank, Japanese bank, and all of that, Australian bank too. So that is that. So I'm not adding any bank again to it. The US account is okay. So come to this place and you save.
This complete tax information. So I click on complete tax information. Okay. So click on the tax information here. Then your tax classification, let it be individual. Click on individual. Are you a US citizen? Click on no. Okay. Are you acting as an intermediary agent? It is no. Since it is you, click on no. And this is that. Select one citizenship. Nigeria. That is where I'm from. Click on Nigeria. Okay. These are the only thing you need. So to finally end this video, please, this is the thing. So for this place, since you don't have a tax identity number like those people living in the USA, you can use your NIN. So if you are from the USA, you can enter your TIN number. But if you are not from US, just enter your NIN. Let me say mine is 8. Okay, that is that. So you just click on continue. Just click on continue. Now it says confirm. Country of your residence, just confirm. Okay, so you move to this place. Click on this place. Your signature here will be your full name. Just write Ola. Okay. Alright. You just click on save preview. Alright. So this is that. You just go through it and you click on this submit form. Submit what? Form. Just click on submit form. It's processing. Alright. Congratulations to you if you have gotten to this stage. It says validated. So you have what? Your tax information have been received as successful. So you have now been verified and your KDP account is now activated. So you can be paid anytime. So if you like this video, please
comment down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And turn on the notification bell to receive how to set up a Pioneer account and how to publish book on Amazon to make passive income even if you don't have any experience. Thank you. See you in the next video.